Hello, my name is Karen Santos, and I'm the Recertification Manager at the Board of Pharmacy Specialties. Today, I will walk you through the process of submitting an extension request through your MyBPS profile. I will be covering the following discussion topics. Who is eligible for an extension? How long is an extension valid through? Step-by-step instructions on how to submit request. What happens after the extension request is submitted? And additional resources. Who is eligible to submit an extension request? Board-certified pharmacists unable to complete the total required CPE or achieve a passing score on the recertification exam in year 7 of the certification cycle may request a 1-year one-time extension at the sole discretion of BPS after the recertification application is submitted and approved. If your credential received an extension in a previous cycle, you're not eligible for an extension. How long is an extension request valid for? After the extension request is approved, a board-certified pharmacist will have up to December 31 of the following year to complete recertification requirements. When can I request an extension? The extension request must be submitted through MyBPS by December 31 of your recertification year. It must include a reason for not completing requirements in your 7-year certification cycle and a plan for completing your requirements in your extension year. How many extension requests can I submit per certification? Each certification is permitted a one-time 1-year extension at the sole discretion of BPS. If a certification has already been approved for a one-time 1-year extension, it is not eligible for a second extension for the life of that certification. What do I need to include in my extension request? The extension request must include a reason for not completing recertification requirements in your 7-year certification cycle and a plan for completing your requirements in your extension year. Please note that the plan described in your extension request determines your final recertification route. For example, if you selected the Honor CE route in your recertification application, but select exam in your extension, your final route will be by exam. Reason and plan examples. Via continuing pharmacy education. Reason. Over the past 7 years, I constantly worked on completing my CPE requirement. However, due to personal challenges and increased work responsibilities, I couldn't complete them all in time. As a result, I am short X number of units. To complete the remaining CPE, I plan to register for course X, Y, and Z offered by a BPS-approved professional development program provider for my specialty. Via recertification examination. Reason: I did not pass the recertification exam, and due to scheduling conflicts, I couldn't retake it by the exam deadline of October 15. Plan: I will prepare by reviewing the exam content outline for my specialty and take the exam by the end of Q1 in my extension year. Let's get started. You may also review step-by-step instructions under the Request for Extension section of the Recertification Guide on the BPS webpage. Please access your MyBPS profile. Step 1. Submit your recertification application. On your portal homepage, scroll to the Recertification section and click the Recertify link. From here, follow the prompts to submit your recertification application. You will receive an email after your application is approved, which can take up to 30 calendar days. Step 2. In MyBPS, click the Request Extension link. After your recertification application is approved, log back into your MyBPS profile, scroll to the Recertification section, and click the Request Extension link. In the next screen, click Next. Step 3. Add your reason and plan, select your recertification route. On this screen, enter your reason and plan in the Reason text box. Then use the new recertification route dropdown to select your preferred route. If you'd like to provide supporting documentation, you can do so by clicking the green Add Files button. However, this step is optional. Once all the required fields are completed, click Next to proceed. Please note that if you select the exam route, an additional step will appear before the signature. You'll need to select your testing country. This step is not included if you select the CPE route. Click Next. Step 4. Review the extension details and sign. Review the following extension details, provide your signature, and click Next. Step 5. Submit your application. What happens after I submit my extension request? After your request is submitted, you will receive an email notification once your request is approved. Please note that requests are processed within 15 business days of submission date. After an extension is granted, you are bound to fulfill the recertification requirements of your current cycle by December 31 of your extension year. For more information about the extension process, please refer to the recertification guide. Thank you for your attention. More information is available on the BPS website. Questions can be directed through the Contact Us webpage.